壳就好了。
Making some
其他
battle
三个先
garb.
不用。
We're gonna get shot with fireworks.
We have to put this towel on it to keep our necks from blowing up.
You can hide behind Lewis. He's big.
I have no one to hide behind. About to go see the fireworks for this firework festival. Get ready. These guys working hard. Say ni hao. It doesn't just stop there, it goes on both sides. So this whole side's finished.
As you can see, it's dark outside. We're ready to get shot by fireworks.
Get annihilated. A little nervous.
Not
nervous?
Just gonna hide behind them.
No, you're not. We're hiding behind you.
It's gonna be a circle. Just getting ready. Oh. Hey fella, we got these firemen suits on. They're so cool. Not yet. You have TT represent. How you feeling?
Excited?
Woo! Raining fire. Here we go!